how to hide apps on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and navigate to the app that you want to hide on your home screen. So go ahead and tap hold on the app that you want to hide, and here you will see the option for require Face ID. So tap on the require Face ID option you see there, and you will then see the option for hide and require Face ID. So go ahead and tap on the hide and require Face ID option you see there, and you will then be required to enter your Face ID. So go ahead and enter your Face ID, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the hide app option you see there. And with this, as you can see, the app has been hidden. Now, if you go to your app library and search for the app that you just hid, you will not be able to see the app anywhere. So in order to view the hidden app, simply in your app library itself, scroll down to the bottom and you will see a tab for hidden. So tap on it and you will be required to enter your Face ID in order to unhide the hidden apps. Further, if you want to unhide the app, then you can again tap hold on the app and you will see the option for don't require Face ID or add to home screen. Tap on any of the following options, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on unhide app, and with this, the app will be unhidden again. So this was about how you can hide apps on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.